Hi everyone and welcome to this new video about Matomo analytics. In today's session we are going to see funnels. So funnels is a premium feature of Matomo analytics which allows you to visualize and see where your visitors are dropping off within a conversion process. So let's see now a bit in practice how to implement these specific features. Okay, so here we are in Matomo. So actually, if you are using our cloud, you will get normally this feature straight away if you are within the business package. And if you are on an on-premise installation, you will need to go through the marketplace in order to acquire it. So the funnels is right here under goals, but by default, you won't have any things here to analyze once you did not define them with goals. Okay, so goals need to be defined along with funnels in order to be able to see the visualization of the funnel. So to give you just an overview of what a funnel looks like, here is the global overview of how the different objectives are performing. So here it's clearly telling you that your funnel has a conversion rate of 2.9%, and actually so far you received 37 conversion for this given goal. And if you look a little bit more closer to the goal, you will see that you have a visualization showing you how many people started within the funnel, so how many people started within the goal process and how many people leave the process, which will give you at the end, in fact, the performances of your given funnels, of those given steps before reaching the given goal. And it will clearly here show you actually that this page is probably problematic because, as you can see, most of the visitors which are coming in are coming out. So you probably have a lot of questions to ask yourself about this given page here. Let's now dig a little bit more within the goal specifically. So we're going to pick up a goal. So let's go over here and let's click on manage goal. If we click here on add a new goal, you will see that you have the basic goal to define, to configure here, but down below you have actually an added part which is named funnels, in which you need to explain what are the different steps which were before achieving the given goal. So we're gonna take a concrete example here. I'm gonna choose a goal that we have on a real website, and this goal is about people applying to a job ad. So here we are on the website named divezone.net, and we are going on a page which is named /jobs. Okay, and on this page, as you can see, people have the possibility to have a look at some job ads which have been published. And once you click on the job ad, so we're going to take the first one, as you can see, you have a conversion button named apply now, and what you can see is that this given button, when I'm hovering my mouse over it, you have at the bottom of my screen a URL which is /job/apply/second captain. Okay, can you see that? And this is in fact the goal that we would like to achieve, is every time that someone is applying actually to a given job ad. So here you can imagine that we have a funnel. So this funnel is that people are coming through a page which is named /jobs, and then they are selecting the job ad, which is in our case /job/view, and then actually they are applying by clicking on this given link. So in our case here, our goal, so if I go here on manage goal, and if I look at the way I define this given goal, I will see that the goal is achieved, of course, when someone is applying. So when someone is reaching this given page, when he's clicking on the button apply, and the steps which are before this given goal are the /jobs page, as I showed you before, and as well the job view page, which correspond to /job/view. Okay, so this is /job/view. This is my second step, and my first step was the following one. So as I need to go through /job and need to go through /job/view, I'm going to use actually those two URL as the given path previous to the goal that I would like to achieve. And once you create it and once you activate it, you will get actually this data visualization showing you how many people are in fact leaving your funnels. So you will need to go and view the submit job, view the job application, so people which actually are applying. And as you can see, we have 1060 entries which go to the page that we saw before about the view, and then we have the people who actually are trying to apply on the given ad page, and then we have the final people who actually clicking on the button named applied. Okay, so just to let you know that funnel allows you to have this data visualization, and all your work consists in defining within the goals definition the different steps that the user are going through in order to achieve this given goal. Note as well that in Matomo, when you define the different steps, it's not only in terms of URL that you can define the funnel. You also have the possibility to define it according to the title of the page, as well as the category, the action, or the name of the event, which make, of course, the funnel configuration a little bit more customized and advanced than most of the other analytics vendors. Okay, so I really hope that you enjoy watching this video and that you learn about how funnels are working in Matomo Analytics. If you had actually to practice a little bit in order to master this premium feature, I strongly advise you to start by defining your first funnel along with a goal definition, and to wait a couple of days in order to see the first goals coming in, and then to analyze and see within your funnels where your visitors are probably struggling within the goal process. So yes, once you have actually this data visualization made, ask yourself how you could actually improve those different steps in order to increase your conversion rate. Thanks for watching.